They say you can make up to $20,000 per month by using this super simple strategy. Let's get into it right now to see what it is. Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make money by using this super simple strategy that I'm going to be revealing right now. This is super easy. I have a similar video for that, but it's actually, it's a different topic, so you're gonna see that in the next 5 minutes that what this method is, and it's super beginner friendly. Anyone can do that, so don't forget to stick with me until the end of this video because you're gonna find out some cool stuff. So before I dive into the tutorial, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel right now if you're new to this channel, because I've noticed that over 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, which is not really good for me. So I much appreciate it if you're watching this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. It's gonna help me more than you think. And if you like this video, don't forget to tap the like button at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So guys, I'm gonna show you two channels as an example that how you can do the exact same thing and how we can get the exact number of viewers, even sometimes more, sometimes less, but you can get it. So the first channel is called Build Empire. So this is a YouTube channel, and it's all about, you know, luxury lifestyle, billionaire lifestyle, you know, just luxury photos, videos, and this kind of stuff. That you can see that all their videos are about the billionaire lifestyle, luxury houses, cars, yachts, and this kind of stuff. For example, if I click on this one right here, you will see that all these videos are about, you know, the billionaire lifestyle, and see that they get 32,000 views, some of them 1 million views, and some of them 7 million views. It totally varies. For example, if I sort it out by most popular, you see that this video has got over 1.1 million views, which is amazing. This one again 1.1 million views, this one 500,000 views, 495,000 views. So it's all about billionaire lifestyle and luxury lifestyle. So for example, if I click on this one, you see that they are all just amazing shots of, like, you know, yachts, cars, and you know, luxury houses, travels, and this kind of stuff. So you got the concept, you know what it is. So, and the second channel, which is kind of similar to this one, is called Billionaire Wolfgang. So this is another one that I found which is totally relevant to what I showed you earlier. It's a relatively new channel because they only got 27,000 subscribers, but you see that their videos are getting a massive amount of view. Like this one, 756,000 views, and they just posted this video 7 months ago. And if I go to videos again, and if I sort it out by most popular again, you see that the most amount of view is 756,000 views, 668,000 views, 94,000 views, 86,000 views, and it's massive, guys. Imagine that you keep posting such contents that I'm going to show you how we can do the exact same thing, the exact videos, songs, everything, and how we can keep posting them until they get the desired views. So this is how it works, guys, and they're all about the lifestyle, the luxury lifestyle. And I'm going to click on this one as well and see that most of them have background images, so like this one. So they all have background images, guys, background songs, background musics, that you can actually do the exact same thing. I'm going to show you how you can find the musics, how you can actually use them. They are all loyalty free, so you're not going to have any copyright issue with that. So these are the type of the videos that we want to target, and if you want to create such a YouTube channel, you can exactly do the same thing. So the way we can find these images, videos, and songs is just by going to the website called pexels.com. So see, Pexels.com is a website that gives you loyalty-free videos and photos that you can use as your own with no problem. You can do whatever you want. There's not going to be any copyright issue with that. So, and the way it works is that, for example, if you go to Pexels and if you search for luxury, you see that all these photos are like about luxury lifestyles. They're all amazing shots with high quality. There's nothing to say about them, but we are not going to use the images. We're going to go to video section and see that there are more than like thousands of videos just about luxury lifestyle, travelings, yachts, and whatever which is related to a luxury lifestyle. So we're gonna actually choose 4 to 5 videos to actually we're gonna use 4 to 5 videos to put them together, and then we make a video out of them. So for example, if you go back to these channels, you see that this video is only 4 minutes. It's not crazy. It's not like a song that is 45 minutes to an hour. So these channels are mostly used for people who wants to get some motivation before going to work, or they just enjoy watching this kind of stuff. So that's why 6 minutes, 7 minutes, maximum 10 minutes is totally enough. So don't worry about the time, guys. If you go here, and if I want to choose a video right now in front of you, for example, I can see that which one I personally like. Like, for example, let's say this one right here. I'm gonna watch the video to see whether I like it or not. So there is no sound for it. There's no sound. So I can actually download this for 100% free of charge. So I downloaded my first video to use for my video. So for my YouTube channel. So the second one is this one. So for example, I'm gonna take a look at this to see whether I like it. So it's amazing. It's there's no sound for it, so but that's fine because we are gonna mute it at the end. So I'm gonna download this one as well, free download. So we have 2 videos here, and then I go back here. For example, this one. Let's see what this one has got. It's just 38 seconds. So 38 seconds, imagine that you need 5 videos to do like 4 to 5 minutes. So that's how it works. So I can go for this one to see how long this one is. So it has a sound too, 30 seconds, not bad. So there's no transition. I don't really like this one. So I'm gonna go for this one to see how this one looks like. Not bad, this is good. I'm gonna go for this one as well. Free download, done. Let's go back. And then I'm gonna go to similar videos. Because you know what, guys, the last thing you want to do is just putting 4 to 5 car videos at the same time, like beside each other. You got to do a really nice transition, like from cars to yachts, from yachts to houses. You got to be a little bit more attractive. A little bit more creative with it. So you gotta make it look attractive, because it's not like the music channels that people just play the music and they don't watch it, so they just walk away and they just want to listen to the music. This one is different. This one, people actually watch this kind of stuff. So you want to get more creative with creating these videos and putting them beside each other. So it's gonna help a lot with engagement, and then engagement is really important for this kind of videos. So I'm gonna go for this one as well. So just for the last one, it's just an example. You got the concept, you know how it works. Now we can like do it yourself. So I downloaded 4 videos right here. I'm all set, everything is done. The next thing I'm gonna do is just finding a song which is loyalty free music. So for doing that, guys, I'm pretty sure that you have a YouTube channel by now, because if you want to do this method, you gotta have a channel. So we go to our channel, we go to customize channel, and then after that we come here. So as you can see, there's a section called audio library on the left side. Click on audio library, guys, and then you see that all these songs are loyalty free songs that you can use for your own videos, but we're gonna actually filter it out. We're gonna sort it out. I go to this one, click on this one, and then I go to mood. So you see that we can go for calm, you can go for inspirational, we can go for happy, and then after that we can apply these changes here. See that all these songs are kind of relevant to what I've like chosen right now. So see that for the first one is ambient. So I'm gonna listen to this song to see whether I like it or not. Not really not really good for this kind of videos, so I'm gonna go for this one. So not bad, lights is good. See, like these two are not bad. So it totally depends on you. You gotta do your own research to see that which songs suit your videos. And after that, you can download them for free. Just click on download. You can download them, and then you're going to use a free software to put everything together. So you can go to Google and search for free video editor, and you see that tons of them are gonna pop up right here. And the first one is OpenShot Video Editor. So OpenShot Video Editor is this one. You can use this one as a free video editor, and you can put everything beside each other. So the way I'm gonna do that is that I downloaded everything. I downloaded my song. Everything is fine. So let me just download this one. I'm gonna download this one. Now I have 4 videos, 1 song. So you can definitely get more creative. As I said, it's just an example. So I have everything here, and then I can open them. I can open them here, and then I can go back to OpenShot. So after that, you can go to File, and then you can import all the files here. So you can import them, or what I can do is just I can go to this section right here. I just drag them and drop them. So I'm gonna drag everything and drop them here if I can do that. Oh yeah, I could do that. So I dragged the videos and I dropped them here. I have the music here. See that all these videos are right here. So if I click on play, you see that it's gonna play for me, and all of them are in order, but you need to change it, you need to play around with it. But this is not something I personally use. I personally use Camtasia. I love it. I don't really know how to use OpenShot, but they're pretty much the same thing. But this is not something that I use on a daily basis. I use Camtasia. But if you don't want to spend money on like video editors, you can definitely go for this one. It's 100% free of charge. They're not gonna charge you for add-ons or anything. So see that the first video is playing, and the second video we're gonna go for, it's gonna transit if I'm not drawing. So see that it's gonna do the transition as well. So but this is kind of messed up because we need to separate them. Like we need to separate them like this, and then it's gonna play the, yeah, this one is not, oh yeah, so I'm gonna separate this one as well. See, now it's kind of playing all the videos for us right here, and then it's do the transition itself. We don't have to do anything, but like, you know, you gotta change it. You gotta actually add some effects yourself. You gotta mute the audio and add this song right here. So this is what you want to do, guys. You're gonna put the song here, and after that you see that the video is actually playing at the same time with the song. So see, yeah, you gotta actually mute the songs first. You gotta mute the background music from the videos that you downloaded, and after that you can play the song that you downloaded separately from audio library on YouTube. So this is how it works. To just like gather around some videos and put them beside each other, and this is how you can create a 5-minute video with your desired song. So this is how it works, guys. So for YouTube, so this is for your channel. You already done everything. Everything is fine. You have your video. Just, you know, use a proper keyword. Don't forget to do that. So if you pay attention to these videos, most of these videos are using the billionaire luxury lifestyle keyword. So for example, this one, this channel, so this channel right here, or this channel right here, they are all using this keyword, which is billionaire lifestyle. So you got to focus on that one as well. If you want your videos to get found, you need to have a proper keyword research, and the easiest way to do that is just going to these kind of channels and see that what they are targeting, what kind of keywords are they using. So you gotta actually know all of them, otherwise your videos are not gonna get found and you cannot get this number of views. So it's very important to have a proper keyword research, and as I said, the easiest way, just follow what they are doing. So because, you know, they are the authority in this niche, so they know what to use, you know, billionaire lifestyle. So all of the keywords are using, all of these channels are using the billionaire lifestyle keywords. It's pretty easy. This is how you do that, and then you create your channel. But once you've done everything, guys, there's also one more way that you can make even more money, and that one is by using affiliate marketing strategy. So for example, if you want to get into this niche, you got to find a product which is kind of relevant to this kind of stuff, which is luxury lifestyle, like, you know, luxury houses, luxury lives, like manifestation, this kind of a stuff that you can actually promote those products on your channel. So the first thing to do that, guys, you can go to clickbank.com, or you can go to dgsstore24.com. These are the two, very powerful affiliate networks that you can literally go on and start promoting a product. So for this one, you can go to Clickbank, you can find a product relevant to that, but I'm going to go to DGStore. I'm going to log in to show you what kind of products you can promote. Okay, I already logged in, guys. It's free to sign up. Don't worry about it. You don't have to spend a dime on it, but just make sure that you fill out everything properly, because you don't want to get in trouble for payments or this kind of stuff. So it's free to sign up, but you got to be careful with signing up. So it's not like a rocket science. You just sign up, and then you see such a thing right here. They have so many categories on the left side, as you can see. So, but what we're going to focus on is something that are relevant, is something that is relevant to our YouTube channel. So for example, if I scroll down, I see that like this one, see, money manifestations. So it's kind of relevant to our YouTube channel, to our genre. So that's why we can easily promote this product, which is 80% commission, is $47 per sale, which is really good, guys, because imagine that you're getting paid per 1,000 views on YouTube after you get a hang of it, after actually you get your channel off the ground. You get paid by the views. At the same time, you're getting paid by promoting an affiliate product, which is this one right here. So you can see that you can actually apply for your affiliate link. You can click on this one. This is your affiliate link. After you signed up, after you choose your username, you know how it works. So see, the price range is $53. The commission is 80%, which is really nice. So the earning or the sale is $47 net. So almost 50 bucks in your pocket per sale. And imagine if you keep doing it, if you keep uploading videos on YouTube, focusing on a specific niche, and you're promoting a product at the same time, it's gonna be massive, guys. You just need 1 to 2 sales a week to see $100 a week, $400 a month. So it's very awesome, guys. It's very awesome. It's so cool. I mean, what I told you is the minimum 1 sale or 2 sales per week. You can definitely get more sales as you are growing your channel. So this is how it works, guys. And then after that, once you got your affiliate link, you copy it, and then you go back to your channel. So let's say this is your channel. You have your videos here, and then you go down in the description, and you just put your affiliate link right here with a little bit of description to introduce what this product does, how your audience can benefit from, and this kind of stuff. So you just go down here, description, and then you write something here, and then you put your affiliate link right here, somewhere around here, because people are more likely to check out your description to see what you've got, and after that they probably get interested in the product, they buy it. So this is how we can make money from affiliate marketing. It's an additional way to YouTube monetization, which is a really efficient way, and I highly recommend you to do that. So it's super easy, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful, but if you want to learn affiliate marketing in depth, step by step, over the shoulder, I have a separate course for that, which you can find the link below in the description. It's going to be the first link that you see. So this affiliate marketing course that has more than 5 modules in it, with more than 37 videos that teaches you everything about affiliate marketing from A to Z, whatever you need to know.